Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Reality Consult, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to practically demonstrate how to use the clip tool. Before using the clip tool, you need to have dataset, and this one of my dataset is Ashanti region boundary. That's the boundary layer of Ashanti region. And then this is roads of Ghana. These are all the major roads in Ghana. So I'm going to click all roads within this Ashanti region to be within this boundary of Ashanti regions. Let me make this hollow, and then make this some color to make it yellow. You see the boundary? That is it. So I want to cut these roads to be within the boundary of Ashanti region. So there are several ways of accessing the clip tool. First, you can access clip tool through geoprocessing. That is it. You see clip tool, or you can access it through Arc toolbox. Come to analysis, come to extract, and then this is a clip tool. And the third way is to access it through search. Click like this and then type clip tool and then search it. Clip tool and the analysis tool. You can click on it and this is it. So that's how to access the clip tool. So let's now do our work. Double click on it. This is it. So if you are not familiar how it is used, this is it, a description of how the tool is used. Clip extract input feature that overlay the clip feature. So this is input that can be points, lines, and then the clip feature. You see the boundary, all of them are within the boundary, and then the output will be this. So that is how the clip tool is. So let's now use it. The input feature is your roads. Clip feature is the layer in which you want to use it to clip, and that is the Ashanti region boundary. You can name it here. Here you can name, can click here to see where you will save it. And then we have XY tolerance, which is optional. You can leave it as it is and you click OK. And the clip tool is working. Yeah, it is working. You see this green, it shows that our operation has been done. So let me, have you seen it? All the rows have been extracted within the boundaries of Ashanti region. So that is it. So that's how to simply perform the clip operation. That is it. Very, very simple. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you very much. All the best.